Hello student, welcome to the next lecture of set theory. In the last lecture we have done with the partitioning and covering of a set. In this lecture we are going to start with proving set identities. See, these are the set identities which we have already covered under the topic on operations of sets. We have studied different laws: identity law, idempotent law, commutative law, associative, absorption, domination, complementation, De Morgan distributive complement law. Now we are going to study the proof of these set identities. There are different ways. Number one, prove that each set is a subset of the other. So first we will do that. Second, we are going to study using set builder notation and propositional logic. Third, membership tables. So see, this is the first way, that a subset. So A intersection B bar is equals to A bar union B bar. We have to prove that. We prove this identity by showing that A intersection B bar is the subset of this A bar union B bar. Now, opposite is also true. Opposite, we are also going to show it. A bar union B bar is the subset of A intersection B bar. See these steps. First we will show this. In the next we will see this. For example, let us assume that X belongs to A intersection B bar. Now, by the definition of complement, can we say it like that? X does not belong to this because there is a bar. So, by the definition of complement, can we say that? Now, by the definition of intersection, see, negation, X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Now, first De Morgan law, negation, X belongs to A, this AND becomes OR. And negation signs also comes here, X belongs to B. Now X does not belongs to A or X does not belongs to B. Now we can also write it out by the definition of complement, X belongs to A bar or X belongs to B bar. By the definition of union, we can also write out X belongs to A bar union B bar. So what we have assumed and what we have proved, I think so the statement get proved. Moving further, see, now we are assuming it X belongs to A bar union B bar. So by the definition of union, we can write out in this way, X belongs to A bar or X belongs to B bar. Now by the definition of complement, we can write out in this way, X does not belong to A or X does not belongs to B. By the definition of negation, we can write out in this way, negation of X belongs to A or negation of X belongs to B. By first De Morgan's law, we can write out this OR sign get replaced by AND sign. See it here, negation X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Now by the definition of intersection, negation get outside, X belongs to A intersection B. By the definition of complement, we can write out in this way. So this statement get true. Now the second way, that is set builder notation. By the definition of complement A intersection B, here X is such that X does not belongs to A intersection B. Now negation, by definition of does not belong to symbol, negation comes up here, X belongs to A intersection B. By the definition of intersection, negation X belongs to A and X belongs to B. By first De Morgan's law for propositional logic, X belongs to A, or this AND sign will replace by OR because we are here using the De Morgan's law. Negation X belongs to B. By the X does not belong to A or X does not belong to B. X belongs to A bar. By the definition of complement, X belongs to A bar or X belongs to B bar. By the definition of union, X belongs to A bar union B bar. Now by the definition of notation, what is the final answer? A bar union B bar. So hence proved. Moving with the third, that is membership table. That is here, Construct a membership table to show that distributive law hold. What is the distributive law? A union B intersection C. It is A union B intersection A union C. So I think so it has a 3 variable. So for 3 variable, how many combinations of truth table are there? 8 combinations. So these are the 8 combinations: 4140, 1110, 1010. Now first we will find out as per the BODMAS rule. First we have to solve this bracket. So that means B intersection C. Next we will find out A union B intersection C. These are the respective answers. Next A union B. Next A union C. After that we will find out the final answer. Now see this and this. Is this both are equal? Yes, it is very much true. So this is that overall about this membership table. Now in this lecture we have studied the topic proving set identities. Thank you very much.